Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a focused workbook so tracking stays simple. Create tabs for income, expenses, savings, and debts, and enter the current month as your column header. Use Excel date format so sorting and filters work correctly. Once done, list recurring items first, salary, rent, subscriptions, and assign consistent categories. This makes formulas and pivot tables reliable. Make sure to freeze the header row and set the currency to $. It saves time and prevents data entry mistakes. Now you add formulas and light automation to turn raw rows into insight. Use SUM to total columns and SUMIF to aggregate by category. IF statements flag missing values or low balances. Name key ranges so formulas are readable and stable when you copy them. Then apply conditional formatting to highlight overspending or negative balances. Visual cues reduce mistakes. Finally, create a monthly summary sheet that references totals and feeds a small chart. This gives finish by making review and reconciliation routine so the workbook stays accurate. Reconcile your bank and credit card statements weekly and tick a checkbox column to mark reconciled rows. This prevents duplicates. Lock formula cells and keep an automatic backup copy to recover from errors. If numbers look off, first check range references and ensure there's no accidental text in numeric cells because that breaks sums. If needed, use data validation to prevent bad entries and restore consistent calculation behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.